Hello everyone, have you ever wondered how some people manage to save money effortlessly? Well, you're not alone. Many of us perceive saving money as a Herculean task, something that requires immense self-control and sacrifice. But what if I told you there's a different perspective to consider? Effortless saving. Sounds like a paradox, doesn't it? Yet it's not as elusive as it seems. Just like any other skill, it's a habit that can be learned and mastered. It's all about shifting your mindset, changing your relationship with money, and embracing a new way of thinking about your finances. Imagine, instead of constantly struggling to keep money in your bank account, you're smoothly navigating your way towards financial stability. It's not magic, it's not a secret formula. It's about instilling a habit. And the best part? Unraveling this mystery isn't as hard as you might think. The first step to effortless saving is understanding your spending. Think of it as a journey. You can't map out a route without knowing your starting point, right? It's the same with your finances. To cultivate a habit of saving, you need to first comprehend where your money is going. Now, how can you do that? Start by tracking your spending. You might be surprised to see how those little purchases add up over time. Identify what expenses are necessary, like housing or food, and what are non-essential splurges. This will help you distinguish needs from wants. Consider keeping a spending diary or using a budgeting app. These tools can provide a clear picture of your spending habits, making it easier to spot areas where you can cut back. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. So start today. Take control. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to keeping more of it. Once you understand your spending, it's time to set realistic saving goals. But how do you determine what's realistic? That's where SMART goals come into play. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. Specific. Instead of saying, I want to save more, try, I want to save $200 a month. Measurable. Track your progress. This can be as simple as checking your savings account at the end of each month. Achievable. Based on your income and expenses, what can you realistically set aside? Relevant. Your saving goals should align with your personal financial objectives. Perhaps you're saving for a new car or for a comfortable retirement. Time-bound. Set a deadline. This adds a sense of urgency and helps keep you motivated. With a clear and realistic goal in mind, saving becomes a lot easier. Now, let's talk about how to actually develop the habit of saving. Think of saving money as a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or groceries. This mindset shift allows you to prioritize savings above discretionary spending. One effective strategy is setting aside a predetermined percentage of your income. Whether it's 5%, 10%, or even more, the important thing is to consistently reserve this portion for savings. Automatic transfers can also be a game changer. Set up your bank account to automatically transfer a certain amount to your savings account each month. This way, you're saving without even thinking about it. Lastly, consider using tools or apps that round up your purchases and put the difference into savings. Over time, these small amounts can add up to significant savings. Remember, consistency is key. Make saving a habit, not a chore. With time and practice, you'll find that saving becomes second nature, leading to financial stability and peace of mind. So, what have we learned today about developing a saving habit? We've delved into the mystery of effortless saving, unraveling the truth that it's not so much about how much you earn, but how much you save. We've stressed the importance of understanding your spending, of knowing where every penny goes, because when you track your expenses, you can control them. We've also explored the concept of setting realistic saving goals. Remember, it's not about setting lofty, unattainable goals, but about achievable milestones that motivate you to save more. And finally, we've talked about developing a saving habit. It's not a one-time event, but a process, a lifestyle change that requires consistency and discipline. So, there you have it. The secret to saving isn't so secret after all. It's about understanding, goal setting, and habit formation. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your saving journey today and watch as your financial future transforms.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to share, likes and comment.